What's this? There's dirt on our
I
bed.
don't even want to look at my bed. I just lie there. It's better if you don't know what's on it.
This shit!
Feeling very uncomfortable.
Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna work out.
What is going on?
Hello! So okay, now we are on an overnight bus. No?
We're on an overnight bus.
Okay,
It's a 13-hour bus, right? It's now 6 p.m. We're supposed to reach at 7 a.m. tomorrow because we are going from Shangri-La to Kunming.
And you've always seen what an overnight train looks like, but do you know what an overnight bus looks like? Okay, so in the next 13 hours, we are going to experience an overnight bus for you and hopefully give you top 10 tips to survive an overnight bus journey.
I'm a germaphobe when it comes to sleeping areas, and this bed is just... There's chewing gum on my left, many chewing gums. There's eggshells on my bed, many eggshells.
What is this? What's this? What's this? There's dirt on our
I
bed.
don't even want to look at my bed. I just lie there. It's better if you don't know what's on it. What is going on?
One eternity later.
Kim, what are you doing, Kim?
I'm counting the number of hours.
So how many do we have left?
It's really 13. We currently have 12 hours and 45 minutes because it's been 15 minutes.
All stopped up for the 13-hour ride. We even have fried rice.
So romantic to each other. Thing is, we bought like 4 bottles of water, but at this point I don't dare drink any more liquid. I ain't gonna hold it.
So when is our next stop, guys?
The guy told me that in 4 hours which is at 2 o'clock, so I don't know what he means. Right now it's
7:45 and Sherry needs to pee. Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna work out. Let's see what happens. She's gone to the front of the bus to try to ask the driver. So what did the bus driver say?
there's no toilet on the bus. But just now, right, there's this guy, because this guy's sleeping here. Then he was like curling up and then he's facing the window. And his butt was right here. And I was like, please don't fart. It's a slumber party with me and maybe about 40 other Chinese people we don't know.
It's a long
Yeah.
bus ride, but I'm sad because my phone battery is dying. My portable battery has died completely.
Wow, so poor thing. City girl need to survive without internet through the night. Aiyo, you poor thing.
so sad. Or just don't take a sleeper bus lah, guys. Oh my god.
Oh no, controversial opinion. Wakey, good morning.
Actually had a pretty good sleep. Just that my breath is so stanky right now. I just want to shower.
How was the 13 hours, guys? Sherry? Oh, it's been an interesting 13 hours. We didn't get time to film outside the bus earlier, so now we're back in our hotel. And we're really stinky.
But anyway, here are some pro tips we'd like to share if you ever find yourself going on to an overnight bus in China, something that's more than 10 hours long. You will need these pro tips. So this one is to actually get your bus tickets early if you know that you're gonna go on one overnight trip, because tickets sell out fast and you wouldn't want to get seats near the back, because at the back of the bus is where the generators are. It's very noisy. It's probably gonna be warm. Yeah.
If after this you still decide that you want to go on an overnight bus, right, then make sure that you have your toiletries at hand so that you can always freshen up whenever you want. I think you can still smell my breath because I didn't do that. And then at 3 a.m. at our rest stop, I wanted to pee again.
So the situation is that this guy and I want to go to the toilet, but the bus door is closed. So now the guy is asking the driver to wake up and open the door for us.
He went to wake the bus driver, and then the bus driver was so freaking angry. He was like, I already told you guys, you need to go before 3 a.m. If not, you cannot go. Then we were like, okay. Then it's like, you guys can go now, but then you have to stay until 5 a.m.
outside.
Just to give a bit of context, like between 3 to 5 is like the bus driver's
sleeping
rest
time. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then so we were like, okay lor. And I just followed the guy out because I really needed to pee. I am trapped outside for 1 hour.
Country roads, take me home.
So then we just hung out for 2 hours outside.
It's romantic.
Now we're gonna show a picture of right here. We're gonna show a picture of the guy and his jacket. So just to some. We're not saying anything. Just leading in your food. We're not saying anything.
So important question. Was he cute? No.
So thank you everybody. And if anything else, just say bye.
Okay, I'm coming to show.